We want you to announce our next HO and N-Scale all-new locomotive. Stay tuned for details as well as a preview of 2019. Join us on Saturday, January 26th at the Railroad Hobby Show in West Springfield, Massachusetts. Many of you know this as the Amherst Show, and we're going to give away an incredibly unique opportunity. We want you to announce our next HO and N-Scale locomotives. We're going to announce 2 HO and 2 N-Scale. And up until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you'll be able to register to win 1 HO and 1 N-Scale locomotive. And the awesome thing is, the HO winner will actually take that locomotive home that day. The N-Scale winner will get a certificate for when we ship locomotives later this year. And the HO and N-Scale winner will be able to make our new product announcement. Now you're saying, hey, wait, I'm not going to be able to go to the show. Well, if you're not able to make the show, something really unique there too. Virtual Railfan is going to be there with broadcast quality cameras and equipment so that we can broadcast live this awesome new announcement. This will be one of the most exciting locomotive announcements we've made in the history of our company. We hope to see you there, and if not there, we hope to see you online. In 2019, we continue to take the show on the road. We'll be visiting 15 different cities and have 18 shows and events already scheduled. We'll be visiting Syracuse, New York, Dallas, Texas, Omaha, Nebraska, and Detroit, Michigan for the very first time. We also have 1 meet and greet scheduled already in Plano, Texas. If your club would like to host a meet and greet, email us at sales@scaletrains.com and we'll see what we can work out. We hope to see you on the road in 2019. For the first time in more than 20 years, the Southeast Regional NMRA Convention comes to Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're excited to host both pre- and post-convention activities. We'll be meeting here on Thursday, May 30th for an exclusive ride on the Hiawassee River Rail. We'll be having barbecue catered lunch. There'll be an opportunity to shop our warehouse, meet our team, and visit with many special guests, including Pele Soberg from Denmark, Cody Grivno from Model Railroader Magazine, James Wright, better known as JLWII 2000 on YouTube, and many more special guests. You'll also be receiving some great gifts to take home that day as well. If you haven't already signed up for the train, be sure to do so soon because we're already over 50% sold out. We've only got about 200 seats, so don't delay and book today. Also, you can join us for the SCR convention. Now, this is a separate activity on both the 31st of May and the 1st of June. There'll be awesome activities like visiting major industries, clinics, how-tos, and of course the camaraderie of meeting other model railroaders. After the convention, join us on Sunday, June 2nd at the Dalton, Georgia Diamond. We'll be sitting trackside watching the Norfolk Southern and CSX railroads. You'll have a great opportunity to visit with the ScaleTrains.com crew, our special guests, and of course other rail fans and model railroaders. For more information about the convention or all these special activities, visit our website for complete details. Over the past couple of years, we've been really blessed to have our team grow. Later this year, Stephen Priest joins the ScaleTrains.com family. Stephen's been a lifelong model railroader and has a tremendous passion for the Santa Fe. In fact, he worked for both the Santa Fe and the BNSF railroads. Plus, Stephen's been in the model railroad industry for nearly 20 years. Stephen's been the editor of both Railroad Model Craftsman magazine and the NMRA magazine. Welcome aboard, Stephen.
Good morning. My name is Stephen Priest, and I thought I would take a moment to just share with you how excited I am to be joining the ScaleTrains.com team. I've watched ScaleTrains for years and looked at their high-quality products and thought, wow, that would be really something interesting and unique to get involved in. And, well, this year, that's become a reality. So I want to let all of you know I'm excited to become part of this team and looking forward to working with all of you to deliver the highest quality model railroad products possible.
All right, let's talk about the part that we've all been waiting for, the models. So in our existing lineup, we'll be doing 2 more runs of SD40-2s. Look for new road names as well as new road numbers for railroads we've previously announced. We'll also be announcing another run of HO Tier 4 GEVOs. Now keep in mind, the run that we receive in January will probably be the last shipment we receive in 2019. What we're working on are some tooling changes for Kansas City Southern, so look for that announcement late in the year. Finally, we've had tons of requests for the Big Blow turbine. We'll be offering it again in HO scale, of course, in both museum quality and rivet counter. Now let's talk about what's new. Of course, we've already mentioned the Railroad Hobby Show and the 2 HO and the 2 N-scale locomotive announcements. We'll have even more. So in late 2019, look for an all-new HO scale locomotive, an HO scale freight car, and our second N-scale operator diesel locomotive. We might even throw in a couple of surprises if we can finish up a few projects. Be sure to sign up for our email newsletter and watch our Facebook page for all of our new announcements. As we close, we'd like to say a sincere thank you for your business and support. Without you, we couldn't live our dream of ScaleTrains.com. As we look ahead, we hope to see you at a show or visiting us here in Benton, Tennessee. Happy New Year!